Hey guys, I promised you a video and here it is. My 10-minute face. I'm actually sitting in my favorite place to do makeup in my house, in the window. I love the natural sunlight and it's super easy for me to kind of make sure that I'm matched perfectly. My eyebrows are a little red right now because I just tweezed them. I did my skin prep this morning with some Origins and some Sunday Riley. I will post a picture of the products I use at the end because I don't remember the name of them right now because I'm old. So I'm going to do my quick little 10-minute face. It's going to be one of those videos that the kids do that sped up. Yeah, that. But enjoy it. Get ready. It's going to be good. Okay, so I'm priming my face with La Bosse Pro from Lancome. And then I'm going to get started on my brows. I'll be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. You want to trace a line under your brow and then from the middle of the tail to the end. To find the middle of my tail, I usually look straight forward and start from the middle of my pupil outward. And then I fill in the tail, and then in the front, I draw in little brow hairs. And then I'll create a point right in the front of my brows just to kind of give it more shape. And then I'll take the other side of the pencil and brush that up to blend those pencil lines out. Then I'll set my brows with Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This brow gel is incredible. You can pretty much do anything you want. Wink, wink, anything. All right, then my concealer is gonna come into play. All right, it is a Lancome concealer. I don't remember the name of it, but the second that I find out, you will know as well. And all the products will be at the end of this video. So using concealer for the brows is basically to clean up the brow and to define it more. So like if I messed up with the pencil, I would use the concealer to correct that. The concealer that's going under the brow, I'm also going to use that for double duty. I'm going to blend that down into my upper lid so that my eyeshadow pops a little more and that it stays longer. So just blend that out. I do the unibrow to just make sure that the brows meet each other. Remember, eyebrows are cousins, not twins. Cool. So I've got my NYX Ultimate Edit palette. I'm starting with the lighter shade all over my eyelid, all over. It's such a light shade, it's almost the same color as my skin, so you really can't tell. And then on the outer corners for like an orange, subtle kind of vibe, I'm using the burnt orange shade that comes in the palette. It is the Warm Neutrals palette, but they have different shades. They have one with like really pretty blues and greens. And then now I'm using the darker bronze to just deepen this look and make it a little more sultry, but not too much. Then I'm going to use my Pure Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Palette, the lighter highlight, for the inner corners of my eye. You'll see this palette again because I use it for everything. It's the best. Rosebud Salve on the lips while doing my makeup kind of just helps to get them softened and ready for lip gloss. This Super Fan Mascara from Smashbox is incredible. Look at that. Look at that definition. Bomb. So bomb. Alright, the concealer's back. I'm actually going to conceal under my eye. I went a twinkle too heavy this time. I normally don't get this crazy, but what I'm going to do is just blend it out. I'm just going to blend the crap out of it. That's right, girl. Blend it out. It's okay. It's okay. Blend it out. Keep going. You're not done. Put a little on your nose. Yes, yes. Put a little on your chin and your forehead. Hit the forehead. Hit the chin. Yes, girl. You did good. All right. So now I'm using some Lancome Teint Idole foundation. Again, don't remember my shade, but I'll tell you about it later. I'm going to use that all over. So the problem that I ran into is that my concealer was a little too light because I did a little too much. So I'm going to fix it and I'll tell you how in just a second. I'm going to top that with some Clinique Even Better Refresh Foundation in Tea. These foundations play really well together. They're both very hydrating, they're both very smooth, and they create a very flawless finish. Love them both. Look at that. She's warming up, honey. She's warming up. And I just make sure I blend. Hit your neck. Do not go outside without blending your neck. Good girl. I'm so proud. Alright. So now I'm going to use Big Monsieur Mascara from Lancome on my lower lashes for some definition. I love the Big Monsieur for that because I love lower lashes. And then these Ardell Double Demi Wispies are super cute. And the Duo 2-in-1 Lash Strip Adhesive is really good because you've got black glue and you've got clear glue that you never need to like purchase two. I use clear glue when I'm doing a subtle look or like an everyday look because I'm not going to do a heavy eyeline because it's daytime. But if I am doing a heavier line, I will use the black glue instead. It's super hard for me to put my lashes on using the camera. So I'm gonna grab my mirror. There it is. Ignore the mess that you just saw reflected in the mirror. I dumped my entire purse in the little box. So it's fine, you're fine, you're fine. So when putting on lashes on yourself, you can blow them, but do not let a makeup artist blow your lashes. So here I'm doing a top line to blend the end of the lashes on the inner corner with the beginning of my lashes on the inner corner. And I'm using Honey Cosmetics gel liner. I believe it's called Caviar. I don't remember the real name, but it's from Honey Cosmetics and it's great. I'm going back in my NYX palette to do like a burnt orange outer corner kind of vibe for a cute little pop. And some Note Cosmetics blush. I love this blush. This is my go-to blush. I don't use any other blush on myself because it's super blendable. It's super natural. And I'm back with my Pure Cosmetics highlight palette with the darker highlight shade. And I'm just going to hit my cheeks and my nose with that. And then I'm going to set my face with RCMA setting powder. It's in an e.l.f. container because I ran out of the e.l.f. But the RCMA stuff, your face will not move all day. Ooh, I made a mess. But I'm good to go. Gonna brush it out, blend it out, set it with some Fix It and Forget It from Lancome. Take them edges down, fluff that hair out, sis. Give them a cute face. Yes. See ya.